guys, hope you are doing well. I have recently get a comment from किसी की तलाश में हूँ that English vlog challenge. So I am doing that. Okay, from recent video I have told you that in this room I will make my studio. So this is very simple. I think very simple basic setup of a podcast. Here is my tripod stand and there are two seating arrangements. I will sit there and my guest will sit there. So I will start podcast inshallah soon as possible. I am accepting this challenge of English vlog of किसी की तलाश में हूँ I think, and I don't know what to do if I speak English outside. Buddy, if I speak English outside, they will treat me like I am mad. I'm totally mad. So I can't do this. But you have given me challenge that English vlog, so I am doing that. Okay, now I am connecting my camera to tripod stand and will sit there. So I will check how I look if I start podcast. Alhamdulillah, I have connected my device to that tripod stand and this is all the view. You are saying me like that, and my guest will be here. I am having tea. If you want to have tea, you can come here. I will make sure that you will get this tea. The basic reason that why should I do podcast is I have no any content. Like I have no any many friends like Hamza, like Shari. I miss them too much. But I want to be so perfectionist in this scenario in this YouTube. So I want to start this podcast. So basically this reason is that if I do vlog content is not so much good. I have to waste my time. I have to this and this and this. So this is not adding any value in this society. So to add value in this society, I have to do some podcast. I will invite some guests like very respectful in this society. This was my whole vlog in English. I think I have done my challenge. But if you want to continue this challenge with English vlog, I want 1k likes in this video. If I get 1k likes in this video, I will carry on this challenge of English vlog with the random people, these people who think English is too bad to carry. So I meet you in next vlog. Take care of yourself, take care of your parents, love your parents, and we'll meet you on next vlog. Thumbs up, Allah Hafiz.